Elevate your driving experience with the upcoming 2024 Peugeot 408 GT Fastback, a sedan that seamlessly blends style, sophistication, and a touch of sportiness. With its impressive features and anticipated price tag, will the 2024 Peugeot 408 GT Fastback redefine the expectations for a modern sedan? Let's delve into its details to find out. The 2024 Peugeot 408 GT Fastback is poised to make a bold entrance into the automotive scene, blending sleek design, advanced technology, and a touch of sportiness to create an enticing package for discerning drivers. With its anticipated release in the third quarter of 2024, the 408 GT Fastback is set to redefine the expectations for a modern sedan. The 2024 Peugeot 408 GT Fastback exudes elegance from the moment it catches your eye. Its sleek lines, sharp angles, and signature Peugeot grille create a sporty yet sophisticated aesthetic that turns heads on the road. The interior continues the theme of refinement, with a spacious cabin that comfortably accommodates up to 5 passengers. Premium materials, including soft-touch surfaces and ambient lighting, elevate the ambience, while the iCockpit digital driver's display and large touchscreen infotainment system provide a seamless blend of style and functionality. Under the hood, the 2024 Peugeot 408 GT Fastback is expected to pack a punch with its plug-in hybrid PHEV powertrain. The combination of a 1.6-liter turbocharged petrol engine and an 81 kilowatts electric motor delivers a combined output of 165 kilowatts, 224 horsepower, and 360 newton-meters, 266 lb-ft, of torque. This impressive powertrain is coupled with an 8-speed automatic transmission, ensuring a smooth and responsive driving experience. With an estimated electric-only driving range of up to 60 kilometers, 37 miles, in the WLTP testing cycle, the 408 GT Fastback not only delivers performance but also prioritizes efficiency. While official pricing for the 2024 Peugeot 408 GT Fastback hasn't been released, based on similar Peugeot models and market positioning, we can expect a starting price range of around $40,000 to $45,000. With its captivating design, luxurious interior, and impressive performance, the 408 GT Fastback is poised to become a compelling choice for those seeking a stylish, sophisticated, and technologically advanced sedan. The anticipated release date of July to September 2024 is just around the corner, so stay tuned for more updates and in-depth reviews as this exciting new model makes its way onto the market.